Congratulations on how far you've come in your journey through obstetrics and gynecology. But now, the final and the most decisive challenge awaits you, MRCOG Part 3. MRCOG Part 3 is not just an exam. It is a true test of your clinical competence, communication skills, and decision making under pressure. At Excel MRCOG, we understand exactly what this exam demands because we've had thousands of candidates cross this hurdle successfully. Our MRCOG Part 3 program is meticulously designed to guide you step by step, ensuring that you're fully prepared for every station, every scenario, and every curveball the exam can throw at you. Imagine being mentored by a dedicated team of MRCOG qualified experts who know the exam inside out. Mentors who don't just teach but analyze your performance, correct your approach, and help you think like an examiner. At Excel MRCOG, you receive personalized feedback, structured mock exams, and detailed post-mock review sessions that help you identify gaps, refine your answers, and continuously improve. Whether you need an intensive, fast-track preparation or a flexible long-term plan that fits around your busy clinical schedule, we have a program that works for you. Our learning resources are comprehensive and accessible, from high-yield video sessions and OSCE-focused demonstrations to quick revision notes, structured checklists, and audio-visual resources with over 350 plus tasks actually performed by mentors you can revise on the go. Navigating long and complex guidelines can feel overwhelming. That's why we provide exam-oriented, curated summaries highlighting key points, essential questions, and critical algorithms so you focus on what's truly important for the exam. And you're never really alone in this journey. Our daily study group activities, peer discussions, and mentor-guided interactions keep you motivated, accountable, and confident even on the toughest days. Hundreds of successful MRCOG candidates have walked this path with Excel MRCOG, many of them clearing the exam in their very next attempt. Now, it's your turn. Join Excel MRCOG Part 3 today and walk into the exam hall with clarity, confidence, and complete readiness.